Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to another session of Quranic Arabic recitation with Tajweed rules. This is just a reminder for those of you who will be relying on a transliteration. Okay, this line we will just read it out. We're not going to explain it because it's going to be too advanced at this level. الدرس الدرس ثالث ثالث الدرس الثالث الدرس الثالث. الدرس means lesson. ثالث means third, so it is the third lesson. الحروف الحروف المقطعة مقطعة الحروف المقطعة الحروف المقطعة. الحروف letters, مقطعة disjoint letters. Okay, so in this lesson we are introducing another thing, mad. That's called mad. I know it's written mad, but it's pronounced as mad because of transliteration. That's mim fatha dal mad, and this particular mad is going to be prolonged 6 counts. So for example, lam has mad, so the lam has to be prolonged 6 counts. Okay, so what I have done here is, for example, alif is same one, lam has mad, so we pronounce it as lam, but because of mad I have written it like this. So lam, and has 6 counts. This indicates 6 counts. Similarly, mim, this indicates 6 counts, just to make it easy for you, for those of you who will be using transliteration. Okay, so repeat after me. Alif lam mim. Again. Alif lam mim. Okay. And this one, the first letter is alif. It doesn't have mad. The second one is lam. It has mad. The third one has mim. It has mad. The next one is sad. It has mad. So this one is 1 count, and the rest well, there will be 6 counts each, prolonged. Okay, so alif lam mim sad. Okay, alif lam mim sad. Again, alif lam mim sad. So the first letter is alif, it doesn't have mad. The second one is lam, it has mad. The third one is ra, so only the lam has to be prolonged 6 counts. Alif lam ra, alif lam ra. So in this one, alif has no mad, 1 count. Lam has got mad, 6 counts. Mim has got mad, 6 counts, and ra hasn't got mad, so 2 counts. Alif lam mim ra. Alif lam mim ra. So in this one is kaf has got mad, ha hasn't got mad, so 2. This is going to be 6 counts. 2 counts. Ya hasn't got a mad, so 2 counts. Ain got a mad, is 6 counts. Sad has got mad, is 6 counts. So Kaf ha ya ain sad. Again. Kaf ha ya ain sad. In this example, ta and ha, both of them they don't have mad, so it's just 2 counts. Ta ha, ta ha. So the first ta, it doesn't have mad, so 2 counts. Sin has got mad, 6 counts, and mim has got mad, 6 counts. Ta sin mim. Ta sin So here ta, it doesn't have the mud, it's 2 counts prolongation, and sin has got mud, so it's going to be prolonged 6 counts. That's going to be ta sin. Again, ta sin. That's yeah, it doesn't have mud, so it's 2 counts, and sin, it has mud, so it's 6 counts. Yasin, Yasin. Sad has mud, so it's 6 counts. Sad, Sad. Ha, it doesn't have mud, so 2 counts. Mim has got mud, so 6 counts. Hamim, Hamim. Okay, so ha doesn't have mud, 2 counts. Mim has got mud, 6 counts. Ain has got mud, 6 counts. Sin has got mud, 6 counts. And then Qaf has got mud, 6 count. Hamim, Ain, Sin, Qaf. Hamim, Ain, Sin, Qaf. So because of this, we just had a short break there. Qaf has got mud, so it has 6 counts. Qaf. Again. Qaf. Noon has got mud, so it's going to be 6 counts again. Noon. Noon. So this is the end of this session. We will see you in next session, inshallah. Until then, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.